I géirí de bheith an tolas mar Ballycity. I gach éine tascot. Star tá an an istá nó. Ach duine níos tine ná mé. Déirdí sin ó Kathleen fuair ar bás I Ballycity. Agus ní gá éireann eile rá. Tá tuigeann gach éine cad a tharla in Ballycity.
Bheicim annachchuid cosúlachtaí idir Chás Kathleen agus na Páistíola nó raibh Lloide. Bhí sais cód rúnda ann. Tuigeann gach duine cad is riail leis an focail sin. Agus tusa an óg beidir nach tuigeann tú cad a bhaineann leis an focail cód sin ach focail cód anna háach I Chéile.
My father was on the run most of those years in safe houses. And my mother was fighting, minding the children and trying to have enough food. There was no money.
So that makes she a kind free, there is she bronach, when say ahar. So no, when he had down a gahara, no near last year, but the cushish chuck a go more.
Whatever problems my father was born with, I don't think they would have ruined his life had it not been for the trauma that my grandfather suffered.
How to understand and accept one's own legacy without becoming obsessed with it and without being governed by it. When it came to the 1970s and the troubles in Northern Ireland, my mother, she decided that her legacy should be used as far as she could to prevent that same sense of loss being inflicted on other families.
Never hold grudges, because if you hold grudges, it will eat you up. That was the way he dealt with it.
I mean, it was the Civil War that probably should never have happened. It would have been a wonderful thing for Ireland to have got what we got and not to have something like a civil war at the end of it, which took an awful lot of good out of the whole thing.